All my people, this is over there in Manchester. I'm sitting tired, but I've got no time to waste. Here we are. They've made it into even more of a construction site. But then look behind us real quick. How cool does that look? My B card is no longer working on the ticket barriers. That better not cause problems tomorrow. So, I'm gonna get out this bed and she'll go downstairs, eat some breakfast. Right, let's go. Straight out. Here we are. Let's go get some breakfast. Right, so here's all the breakfast stuff. Yeah, as usual, I'm gonna go tuck into this. So I'm just gonna take a fold. Oh wait, that's just a regular water. Yeah, okay. That's breakfast served. As usual, primitive breakfast look awesome. Flipping out. Right, I'm gonna tuck into this thing and enjoy. Done here for the day. Morning even. Let's go out there. And let's get to Manchester Piccadilly. And now we're going straight back to Pick Station. Why is it something I need to buy from here? That's not food. I'm actually stuffed right now. Well, there's one thing I want to do here. As we're going to go towards the Tickets and Travel Centre. You know, ticket machine for this one. We're going to see if we can buy a local rover. I want to buy a Greater Manchester Rail Ranger. Oh, £8.60, not bad. Give me my ticket, mate. There we go. He got a Rail Ranger. Ooh. So now I'm probably going to go to Putnam 2014 and shop between Oxford Road and Piccadilly. Once that's done, I'm probably going to head straight to the Etihad. Alright, here's the waiting line to Putnam 2014. There's chairs now, that's definitely new. At this point here, I looked at the departure board and realised that the next train to Oxford Road wasn't for at least 10 minutes. And with about half an hour left until the stadium tour was due to take place, I decided to skip riding trains for now and head straight over to the Etihad. Alright, now I'm going back to the entrance because on second thought, I do need to get down to Etihad campus now because we've got like 15 minutes left of the tour. Should take like 10 minutes to get there. So that's a little shortcut. Not too bad. Oh no, I barely missed one. If the next one's in 10 minutes, I might be late. I'm in 3 minutes. Now my problem, it takes like 10 minutes to get there. My problem now is that I'm up to too freaking late and I'm probably gonna have to be pushed back. And here is our tram. Oh, it's a delivered one. I'm guessing about to be expected. 2 minutes after I get on the tram. Don't think I'm gonna make it to the stadium on time. Crud. Yeah, one stop away. My guess is I'm going to get there and then barely miss it.
This is a service to Ashton. The next stop will be Etihad campus.
How much I'm rushing right now. If I get turned away, then we're gonna have quite a problem. Barely made it. And I mean barely. Oh, holy crap, go straight out there. Holy God. Straight out.
This stadium was constructed in 2002, but it wasn't constructed as a football stadium. It was constructed as an athletic stadium because we hosted the Commonwealth Games back in 2002. As you all must be knowing, the Olympics are going on in Paris right now. The Commonwealth Games is a mini version of Olympics which are played between the countries who were once under the British monarchy. We are going to go into the tunnel club now.
Oh, tunnel club time, huh? Let's go. Oh, wow. Whoa. It is hot in here.
Now we have total 13 hospitality areas spread across the stadium, but this area, the Tunnel Club, is considered to be the most exclusive hospitality area, and the reason behind that is the unique experience what these people get over here. Now these members of the Tunnel Club, they are given entry inside 3 hours before the kickoff. They are served with 11 types of fast-flowing tapas style food, 11 dishes, 11 players, and there are drinks. Now these bars are empty, but on a match day there will be drinks. These bars will be filled with different kinds of drinks, so they can drink as much as they want. Well, we have a City Football Academy just down the road, a 5 minutes walk from this area, this stadium, and that's where the players arrive on a match day. So all the players ready for the game, they'll board into the team bus, and that team bus will set off from the academy, coming over to the stadium, arriving exactly outside. If you'll see a Manchester City logo where you can see a few people taking photographs, that's where the home team bus will arrive. Now when the team bus arrives outside, that is when these members who are seated on these seats, they come to know that the home team bus has arrived and it's time to welcome our players.
We're going dressing room now. Down the stairs. Holy, that's a lot of room. I'm assuming that leads to the pitch. Oh, it's actually a slip. Oh, whoa. Oh. That little sheet thing that Pep Guardiola uses as well. Oh, I've seen millions of videos about it. Yes, I have got this. My mum to flip this when editing. Good timing. Took Foden.
As you can see, a nice circular arrangement of this dressing room. The reason it's circular, to have transparency in communication, because as you see around yourself, you can see and address each and every one. No one is hiding from anyone. If you need to talk to anyone in that corner, if you need to talk to anyone in this corner, you can have clear communication with eye contact with each. Suppose at half time, Guardiola and Stones go in a clash. They don't want to talk to each other. So excuse me. Just be careful. So Stones and Guardiola put this in middle, and now they can't see each other. I don't want to see your face, but that's not happening. You have no space to hide. No one can hide from anyone. You have to face each and everyone. That's what the ideology of having a round dressing room is. Can I ask you all to stand up and come over here?
Is this protection going to move or something? Oh, whoa. Here, he showed a video about how City dominated club football for the past 3 to 5 years. And yeah, if you know football, you probably know what this is about. So moving on.
To follow the footsteps of the players as I promised. If you follow me this way, line up in the tunnel.
There's a freaking gym here as well. I mean, of course. We're fighting against other groups here. Yeah.
Our home team goes down this way, and the away team goes down this way. So please choose your side, and let's go, guys.
Everyone picks left.
Everyone. My home team.
Flipping out. Woohoo! It's hot today. I bet you these seats must be boiling. They're hot. So, sit down here. Get my bum on fire. Yeah. If remember the fact it's boiling hot, that's actually pretty comfortable. And then of course you've got a drink holder here as well. Imagine being Pep, you just got your water there. Yeah, look how big this thing is. Right, it's time for the media station time. Respectfully, those sprinklers there, can you spray one in my face again? It's boiling. Just get that sprinkler and just pop it in my face. Oh. Oh, I like this. Oh, it's air as well. That's me on the TVs. I could work from here.
So first question is,
Whoa.
what is it that makes this club so special for you?
Why is it special? Because work here is a pleasure. So everybody making incredible contributions to make our job better.
5 minutes later.
And speaking of pictures, now, if you want a picture taken with Pep, I believe you must be given this ticket at the start of the tour, guys.
Ironically, it seems like that is it. Wow, looks like we're going back in 2026. If I have that photo, I'll display it on screen now. You can see the radio for the upcoming West Ham United game, which I think is the first one. You can't tell me this is not the away part. You cannot tell me otherwise. Up the very dim stairs. Oh, we're back at the pitch. Look at the pitch. One last time for going home mistake. Alright, let's go to City Store. I actually might be able to get something. Because we went to the one in City Centre yesterday, now we're able to go to one here. I bet you those buckets are hot. I mean, we won't be going them today because we're not going to the academy. But then into the store we go, which is probably going to score the end of this trip. Hey, so I have bought the photo. Holy flip, £15 for that. Well, you only live once, but £15, that's expensive. Grief. Oh man, the tills are not working properly, so there was a very long queue. I think I spent like £30-40 just on this team alone. Oh god. I was not expecting that to be my top purchase, but well, I guess it is now. Oh yeah, my banner can come off now. This can come off now. Well, I guess I'll go back to the tram stop and head towards IKEA. So tram to us on the line is doing 1 minute. I am definitely gonna miss that. And the next one's not for another 12 minutes. Crap. Will I make the tram? It's there already, come on! I can't even tap in for crying out loud. Made it. So it's a 12-minute wait. So we just left Villa Park. Now to join the road. I am so sweating. My god. Right, we are now joining the road, which we will now stay with for the rest of the journey. Last time, this entire line was closed. This time I can actually use it, and the tram isn't rammed.
This is a service to Ashton. The next stop will be Cemetery Road.
Just post the photo with me next to virtual Pep. I wonder how many people I can fool. Probably not many, but I hope. It's huge. Here we are at IKEA and Ashton on the line. I think approximately like an hour or two later than I was expecting. We're behind schedule.
This is a service to Eccles.
Everything wants to work this time, which is good. So I'm gonna go into IKEA and get some lunch. And then I'm gonna get bus up to Oldham and Rochdale, and then I'm probably gonna take a train back. I've got a whole train ticket that's not being used. Deary me. Oh, we're not going that way, thank God. You won't probably see stuff from here until like what, September? Or possibly even October actually. Depending how quick they can plug the hole. Ratio U195 into West Manchester inner city shirt. This could get